Hi everyone, I'm NJ, Product Manager of WebAccess in Advantech Industrial IoT Business Group. The deployment and the implementations of industrial IoT system is full of challenges, such as difficulty of collecting data from different types of machines, complexity of data integration, and all systems with low reliability. These problems will damage the operation of entire product lines. Therefore, Advantech WebAccess SCADA is here to help you overcome the challenges. In this course, you will learn about WebAccess SCADA, a browser-based SCADA software for supervisory control, data acquisition, and visualization. I will show you how to use the 10 major advantages of WebAccess SCADA to solve many problems in various fields, such as factory, CNC manufacturing, energy, wastewater treatment, oil and gas, and building. We want to invite you to take this course, and we look forward to seeing you at IoT Academy. Thank you.